Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Atinuke. As you all know, I really want to thank you all for the love, for the support. I don't really know what to say. I'm speechless. Not really speechless. I'm happy. I just want to show you guys how I really appreciate each and every one of you so far for supporting my journey this 2021. Now we are in 2022. From the bottom of my heart, I really want to say thank you all so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. This means a lot to me. I don't know what to say. Show you guys my journey so far, what I've created so far. This 2022 is going to be a great year for each and every one of us, which I really know that. I am really feeling that already. So guys, I just want you guys to keep on supporting my growth, to keep on supporting my channel, because this is what I really dream to do. Yes, this is what I want to do, and I'll keep pushing hard till I get there. So guys, and again, I want to announce to you guys that I have another channel which I did makeup, as in I started doing makeup on that channel, but I've not dropped the link yet. I was like, let me drop the link in this 2022, then make announcement to you guys, because I love doing makeup, I love baking also, I love cleaning. So and this channel, if I upload that kind of thing, people don't turn up, or else they watch only my hair video. Then some people turn up for my vlog video. So that was why I opened another channel to start a new journey with you guys. This channel, I'm still struggling to grow this channel, which I know this will work out this 2022, because I'm going to work hard to make sure this channel really grows. So for this January, I want to, as in, give you guys bonus by uploading 3 times in a week only for this January. Then I want to see how my growth is going to look like, because I really want to be on my feet. I want to work hard more than last year. Then I need to share this with you guys, because you guys are my online families. Yes, which I really appreciate that so much. So just sharing you what the 2022 is going to look like. I really pray God keep us more than that. I know God will keep each and every one of us more than that by His grace. So thank you so much for supporting my growth for 2021. I really appreciate you guys so much. As I said earlier, I didn't know anybody, I've never seen you all, but I know my prayer will always reach each and every one of you, for watching, for liking, for saving my video, for sharing with your loved ones. I know my prayer is going to reach every one of you all, because we are all here to struggle to make it, and you guys keep supporting me without knowing me before. You guys keep liking my content. All I ask for from you guys, please guys, keep on supporting your girl, because without you guys and without God, I can't do it all alone. So on my next video, I'm going to drop the link of the channel. I'm going to drop it, or no, I'm going to drop the link of the new channel on description box below for you guys to see. I really want to tell you guys Happy New Year from the bottom of my heart, which I'm really happy about. Happy New Year, guys.